Now that your collage is complete, we're going to take a bit of time to harvest as much as we can from this experience. For this, you will need paper and pen to write down. And to start, I would like you to take some time to look at your collage. I want you to be in front of your collage and write down a series of words that come to you, 10 words that come to you spontaneously when you look at your collage. It can come from the image itself, or it can come also from maybe things that happened while you were doing it, or something from the process of doing it. A list of 10 words. Once you have your list of 10 words, I would like you to write a title for your piece inspired by these words. And the title can be a sentence, it can be 1 word, 3 words, whatever feels right. And then for those who like to experiment a little more with creative writing, I would propose that you use these 10 words as a starting point to write either a short poem, could be a haiku, that's the Japanese poem form, very surrealist also. I give you the indication in my post how to do that. Or it could be free poem, or it could be also a short story, because sometimes there is really a story unfolding in a collage. So you can experiment with that. And then for those who like to go a little bit deeper, I'm going to share with you a series of questions that you can explore. You can answer some of them, all of them, shortly, or some people have more to say. There is no right, no wrong. It just gives you a kind of a grid to be able to read your experience and get as much meaning, information, ideas, inspiration from it. So the first question, or the first task, it would be to describe your collage. To describe it in terms of how the elements combine, dialogue, occupy the space. So a description of really what happens, what are the main elements. Here there is a skull, here there is a man, with this landscape. So it sounds easy, but it's not that easy actually, so it's an interesting exercise because it develops our capacity to observe, and it can be done in a condensed way or in a longer way. See what fits for you. Try to go to the essential. On that side of the collage, this is happening. On that side, this. There is a dialogue between this image and that image. You are awakening your way of looking at your image. And then I would like you to remember a little bit from the process and ask yourself, what did I like and what I didn't like? What worked? Wow, I loved when I discovered this, or that really worked with that. And what didn't work? Okay. What was really unexpected and surprising? And that can be in different ways. Oh, this beautiful thing happened, but then as I was gluing, I just pushed my water into my collage and then it got totally wet. Okay, so how did you handle the challenges? How did you handle the unexpected? And then, okay, was there something really new that happened? Did you discover something? Then maybe also some ideas, some inspiration, some insight came. So I'd like you to write down all of this. And then I would like to call a little bit your explorer, your observer, and see if your observer noticed some things that happened in your body, or in your emotions, or in your mind. How was the landscape there? Yeah, so there's some things that it would be good to be aware that actually that happened. So we're really bringing as much awareness as we can in the different layers of the experience. And to wrap it up, I would like you to reflect on, is there some things that came up in the process or here in the way I made the images that are bringing me information that I could transfer to my life? So I'm very looking forward to see your works on our hashtag Instagram, on the Facebook group, or if you're sharing with me directly. Yeah, so happy. Then one important thing about commenting on each other's work, rather than just going for the easy, oh that's beautiful, oh I love it, oh what a beautiful collage, maybe we exercise a little bit more our observation, and when we really like something or a work of art, a work from somebody that we see, then we look at it a little bit more in detail and we try to see, what is it really that I like about it? We try to be concrete and precise. I really liked this very strong fluo yellow with this purple that I really liked. And then I make my comment with something concrete. So it's something concrete that I can take for my own process, because next time maybe I'm inspired to work with combination of two colors, or I'm also giving a mirror to the creator to say, you know, that you did, this was really super cool, I really liked it. So the person has also something concrete to take. Okay? So I'm gonna meet you again for our next experiment. And you remember what I said, do not throw away anything that was left over from this collage. Keep it all preciously. It's gold. Okay, see you next time in the art space.